Did you know that Odisha was once home to one of the most powerful maritime empires of India? A land where magnificent temples touched the skies, where kings ruled both land and sea, and where culture flourished like nowhere else. Welcome to the glorious journey of medieval Odisha history solved. After the decline of ancient dynasties like the Guptas, Odisha entered a transitional phase. Rise of regional powers, growth of temple architecture, expansion of trade and religion. This period laid the foundation for powerful medieval dynasties. Shailodbhav dynasty 7th to 8th century ruled mainly in coastal Odisha capital Kangoda, known for early temple construction, contribution, promoted Shaivism, built early temples in Bhubaneswar region Kanu. This dynasty marked the beginning of Odisha's temple building tradition. Bhanja dynasty ruled in northern Odisha Mayurbhanj region known for art and culture key features. Encouraged tribal integration, developed regional culture. Somavamsi dynasty, 9th to 11th century, one of the most important dynasties. Expanded Odisha politically, shifted capital to Jajati Nagar, modern Jajpur. Achievements. Built the famous Lingaraj Temple Bhubaneswar, strengthened Shaivism. This period is often called the golden age of temple architecture in Odisha. Eastern Ganga dynasty 11th to 15th century. This is the most glorious phase of medieval Odisha. Founder Anantavarman Chodganga Deva. Major kings Ananga Abhima Deva. Narsimdev 1. Key contributions 1. Jagannath culture, built Jagannath temple. Puri, established Puri as a major pilgrimage center. 2. Konark Sun Temple, built by Narasimhadev, one UNESCO World Heritage Site, known as the Black Pagoda. 3. Military power. Ganga decline and Suryavamsi rule 15th to 16th century. After the decline of the Ganga dynasty, Suryavamsi Gajpati dynasty. Founder Kapilendra Deva. Greatest king Purushottama Deva, Prataparudra Deva. Highlights: Odisha became one of the largest empires in India. Territory: decline of independent Odisha. After Prataparudra Deva, internal conflicts, weak successors, external invasions, major events, invasion by Afghan rulers of Bengal. Odisha lost independence in culture and society in medieval Odisha. Culture, flourishing of Odissi dance, development of Odia literature. Sarla Das, Odisha was famous for sea trade. Traders called Sadhaba. Trade regions, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia. Festival. Boita Bandana Kartik Purnima. Medieval Odisha was not just a region, it was a powerful empire of culture, architecture, trade, and devotion. From the towering Konark Sun Temple to the spiritual heart of Jagannath Puri, Odisha's legacy continues to inspire India and the world. If you found this video helpful for your exams, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content on history, current affairs,